Hi, I'm Mallory Brooke, makeup artist and content creator here on YouTube, and I am going to show you how I've been styling my hair recently. I have been loving to do like a faux shag haircut because my hair is pretty much all one length. We could use a trim. I did cut my own curtain bangs, so if you would like to see that tutorial, I will go ahead and link that below. When I cut them, they were much shorter and they've grown out. But I have been enjoying styling my hair like a faux shag, so I thought I would show you how I've been doing that because I did get a couple questions on how I styled my hair in this Instagram photo. So that's the inspo today, and there are a few tips and tricks if you want to get this style without having to get the shag type haircut. So I am just gonna start by sectioning my hair. The underneath section, I'm gonna use a flat iron. For the rest of the hair, I'm gonna use a curling iron. I'm using the GHD Platinum Plus flat iron. You can use any flat iron you like. This is my favorite. So what I like to do for this section underneath is to do my over-under method. If you've watched me for any amount of time, you know that I love starting with the over-under method that I created to create more volume. And also this creates a bit of a shag-like look underneath the waves we are going to create. So depending on how long your hair is, will depend on how many over and unders you need to do. I'm doing one over, one under, one more over. So 3 times, make a little nice wave, not a mermaid wave. We don't want that. We just want a nice bend to the hair, but we want it to be smooth, not frizzy. And I want the ends to end a little curled under. This will help lengthen the overall hair look. So also depending on how thick your hair is, you may need to section some more hair. I just do about 3 to 4 sections. Now I'm going to take my GHD, another fave, recent purchase, 1.25 curling iron. I'm going to take the first curl and curl it away from my face, and also keep that clip open for most of the time, and take that curl, flip it to where I want it to go, which is away from my face, and pull down on it and then leave it alone. The key is to not curl every section the same direction. That's where you're gonna get the texture and the movement. So this center section, I'm gonna curl towards my face, keeping that clip open slightly so we're not getting the entirety of the heat of the barrel on the curl, because that will create more of a curl if you do clamp down all the way. And this is how we create more texture and movement, by keeping that clip open a little bit. So since I curled that section towards my face, I'm gonna curl this last section away from my face, and I'm gonna hold it a little less because that's a little less hair. Pull down, and this will be part of my back section. I have thinner hair, so that kind of works for me. And since I started the underneath section here, this is really important, because if you just go away from the face towards the face like you did underneath, you're not gonna get as much texture and movement, and then there goes the faux shag look. So this section will be curled towards my face, and I'm gonna hold this a little bit longer since it is a little bit thicker in the back, and just help it along by flipping it towards my face and pulling down a little bit. Next section, you guessed it, I'm gonna curl away from my face, keeping that clip slightly open as I pull the barrel down that section of hair, lengthening that curl and just giving it a little help and pulling down. Last section, and I'm leaving my bangs for last because I do them totally different. If you don't have bangs, just go ahead and follow your section pattern. So next one would be away from the face. So I'm gonna curl this section towards my face, and keeping that clip open just slightly, keeping the iron rotating, and pull down. So leaving the bangs out completely. I'm gonna do this other side and speed this up. Okay, now I've finished curling both sides of the head. I'm gonna let them cool, let your curls cool for a second. I'm gonna go to the back. Now my hair is fine and thin enough. I did bring those sections towards my head. So all I need to do is create the wave and texture from this section down. So I'm going to use the flat iron for this. Over, under, over again, right like that. All right, now it is time for the bangs, and this is how I style my bangs. So I like to take them all because my hair is pretty fine and thin. All right, now for the bangs, take them as an entire section. Keep that clip slightly open and curl them away from the face and let them fall as a curtain bang. Then as you can see, I have shorter bangs here. So I'm gonna grab the shorter parts that didn't wanna stay and then just curl them away from my face. Now I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb, this is from Pattern, and I'm just gonna start with this side of my hair and comb the curls out because we have given them enough time to cool, because I don't want them to have like complete cool time, otherwise they'll look too uniform and look too perfected. And you can take your comb and comb the bangs away from the face a little more. I mean, before we even put our hair products in our hair, it already looks like I got a layered shag cut. You know what I mean? Like, what the heck? My hair's a grown out one length bob. It's pretty incredible. And then I just like to check the back, see how it's laying, bring those sections towards the back where they're supposed to lay. And I feel like that's laying exactly like I want it to, a little messy. Now to finish off the style, I am going to use 3 different hair products. The first hair product I'm gonna use is Kevin Murphy's Do It For Dry Powder Finishing Spray. I'm gonna run this through the upper portion of the hair to create volume, because this is a dry spray, so it's not gonna weigh the hair down. It's gonna give you some volume and hold. I'm gonna let that kind of sit for a second. Then I'm going to take Kevin Murphy's Bedroom Hair, which is a flexible texturizing spray with some weight to it. So bedroom hair, think second day hair, a little messy, a little bit of weight towards the ends. This is what I'm gonna put in my ends to create even more texture and a little chunkiness. And then for overall shine, because I want my hair to shine, girl, I'm gonna use the Wow Extra Mystical Shine Spray. This is new to me, the Kevin Murphy isn't. I've purchased those products for years and years. I purchased the Shine Spray, the Wow Shine Spray, just a month ago, and I do really like it. It gives me shine without weighing the hair down. And here you have the look without having to commit to a new haircut. This is how I style my hair to get a faux shag look. I will give you one last look. Full 360, girl, it is cute. I love the shape and the texture and the movement that it gives me. The back is just super cute, messy, and that's how you do it. That's how I do it. So let me know if you give this tutorial a go. I would love to know. And I know some of you do post on Instagram, so if you story it or post it, please tag me. I am at Mallory Brooke across all social media. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy hair tutorials. Girl, I got several. If you have a request, leave them in the comments and I will probably get to it because it just took a couple of questions about this hairstyle and y'all got a video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Subscribe if you haven't already. We would love to have you in this beautiful, wonderful, positive community. And everything I used and mentioned will be in the info box below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Happy hairstyling.
All right.